The Lexus IS 350 key fob from 2021 to 2024 requires a CR16332 3 lithium coin cell battery. Ensure you purchase the correct battery type for compatibility. Generic or brand name CR1632 batteries will work, but Lexus recommends genuine batteries. These are widely available online or at auto parts stores for around $2 to $5. Make sure to check the expiration date before purchasing. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to open the key fob. A non-metal tool is preferred to prevent short-circuiting, but a standard flathead screwdriver will work carefully. Ensure you have a clean, dry workspace to avoid damaging the key fob's internal components due to static, electricity, or moisture. To open the Lexus IS 350 key fob, first locate the small seam on the back. This is where the two halves meet. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or a coin into the seam. Twist to separate the two halves. Newer 2023 and later models may have tighter clips, requiring a bit more force. Be careful not to scratch the plastic casing. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment inside. Carefully remove the old CR1632 battery, noting the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR1632 battery with the positive side facing up, as indicated in the fob. Incorrect polarity can damage the circuit board. Ensure the battery is seated properly in the compartment. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together, ensuring a secure fit. Test the remote functions by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic button to ensure they work properly. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and make sure it's seated properly. If issues continue, the fob might need reprogramming through the vehicle. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, try reprogramming it. Hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds until the car lights flash. Consult your Lexus owner's manual for specific reprogramming instructions. If still not working, professional assistance may be required. Replacing your Lexus IS 350 key fob battery yourself can save you $40 to $60 compared to taking it to the dealer, where the service often costs over $100. This is a quick and easy DIY task that most owners can complete in just a few minutes. Regular battery replacement ensures your remote functions work reliably, preventing issues like diminished range or lock failures. While trends point toward rechargeable batteries for sustainability, it's best to stick with the standard CR1632 unless Lexus officially supports alternatives.